Hi everybody, this is Deborah with Deborah Bucher Designs, and I'm coming to you live in Heber, Overgaard in the White Mountains. And this is my daughter's home up here in the mountains, and she Airbnbs it. And we just finished wallpapering and repainting this bedroom, and I just wanted to give everybody a view. If you're coming on, say hi. So what we did is this room was all white walls, and we started putting up this wallpaper yesterday. Hi, Robin. And we finished it this afternoon. And when we started getting the wallpaper up, then we thought, well, now we need to repaint the walls because the white walls didn't look good with it. So she went to Ace Hardware today because you don't have a lot of choices in Heber Overgaard, and she bought paint for it, and we repainted the whole room. This is the door that goes outside to one of the decks. There's 3 decks on this house, and then we put up the log wallpaper, which was like decoupaging an entire wall. And then this dresser is going to get painted next week. We're going to paint it with Dixie Belle silk and anchor. And the reason why I'm using that is it'll be fast and easy to put 2 coats on, and it has the primer, it has the paint, and it has the top coat, and boom, we'll be done. And so this is going to get painted in black. And I think I'm going to design a tissue paper, and we're going to line the drawers with a bear print on the tissue paper. So that'll be really fun. And then she took down the curtains that were here originally, and she's ordering new shades, black shades to go in here. So we're really excited that this is all done. I'll come around and show you the other side of the room. So there's the closet. Excuse me. And then this is going out into the family room. There's a second story on here. Hi, Mary. Thanks for joining us. So this is what we've been working on for a day and a half. And I think it's turned out really, really cute. So tomorrow I'll be starting in on the kitchen and repainting all the kitchen cabinets in there. And her husband has been putting up a really pretty glass. What do you call that in the kitchen? Backsplash. So it's not quite done, but you'll be able to see it in the live tomorrow. So I'll be going live. Thanks, Mary. I'll be going live tomorrow at 4 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, as I always do, and that will be the project for tomorrow, so stay tuned. We've got all kinds of projects. I'm going to be painting the downstairs bathroom. Oh, nice that you mentioned those, Mary, because I custom painted that table to match the bedspread, and that's a really unique table. There's the same table in my bedroom, which is next door. I painted one blue for that bedroom, and then this one I custom mixed the paint. And I have found that same set of tables now 3 times. That's the same one that I did that you wanted to buy, Mary, that wouldn't fit in your bedroom. Those were painted with green, and I did walnut tops on them. And so I have another set in my garage that's unpainted. So she asked me to paint the other one to match, to go over here on this side. And then I'll get this one in exchange and redo it with something. So that's a good trade-off. And then tomorrow or the day after, we're starting in my bedroom, which is, what do you call my room?
The Americana.
She calls it the Americana. I call it the patriotic room, because it's all red, white, and blue. It's a really cool room. And that's the room I always stay in when I come up here. Hi, Peggy. And by the way, you guys, this is a Airbnb, and it sleeps 10 people in beds. There's an upstairs loft. There's another bedroom and bath upstairs. And there's another deck upstairs to go outside, and it's on an acre lot, all Ponderosa pines. So maybe tomorrow I'll put the link on here if anybody wants to come up to the nice cool pines in the summertime or come play in the snow in the winter times. So hi Patricia. Hello my friend Carol, happy anniversary. So I just wanted to pop on real quick, and I wanted to test because internet up here can be iffy, and I just wanted to make sure that when I go live tomorrow I wouldn't have any problems. So I thought I'll just pop on here real quick tonight and show you guys what we've been doing all day. Oh, and I want to show you one more cute thing. So look at this lamp. Isn't that cute? It's got a little fire going in the little fireplace. We love this lamp, and she got this at a store in Pine Top last year. It has the best stuff at Christmas time. What's the name of that place?
Burly Bear.
Burly Bear is that place in Pine Top. So if you're ever up here, that's a really cool place to go shopping. And so I'll give you tours of other things as the week goes by. And thanks for popping on, you guys. Hi, Anaya. You guys have a great evening, and I hope to see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.